Most people think a reliable survival tool needs to be heavy, bulky, and strapped to your belt, but what if the most versatile tool that you could own weighs less than a AA battery? I mean, we've all been there. We want to be prepared for those emergencies, and I get it, but hey, not everything that's heavy is practical. Those heavy tools, you're going to end up leaving them at home in your junk drawer, and you're going to need something, and you're going to feel like you've lost your best friend. Because at times when you feel like you need a blade, a bottle opener, or a screwdriver, the TACRAY Vinto is going to come in handy. You're going to want to feel like you're prepared, but you don't have to feel like you've been carrying around a brick all day long. And there's a proper way to pack something that packs a punch too that's this small. The easy to use carabiner style hook, that easy. Put it on a backpack, put it on your keychain. You can even put this on your belt loop. Made with premium materials, the CG10 steel isn't gonna have corrosion problems, and the G10 handle is gonna be up to the task. And with a tool so small, you're gonna need secured locks on both sides, for this one and for your blade. That easy, and they don't move once they're in place. This tool is gonna be great for camping, hiking, anything outside, or even your daily work routine. If you're looking to streamline your everyday carry without sacrificing utility, you're going to want to check out the TACRAY Vinto multi-tool. I'm really excited to have this one in my collection.